job.
What happened?
What happened?
Welcome.
Steer it. Now turn the wheel. I'll learn to turn the wheel.
It does as much as it turns. It doesn't turn enough for her to make a full turn. That's as far as it turns, right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I wonder if can you adjust that? Yay! Yeah, he's looking at me.
She's not paying attention.
Into the wall. Into the wall. She's looking at me and going right into the wall.
Hey,
What
you want to
happened?
go inside?
See,
What happened?
I know. This is what they have to
You
look
want to go inside?
Dennis!
Go get it.
Dennis!
for.
I'm
I say me, please.
Come on.
I'm coming.
It's stuck.
It's stuck. Well, turn it around. Okay, push. Good job.
This is some YouTube material.
Are you showing Chad how you ride it?
I'm gonna take this.
Say, watch me, Chad.
I'm gonna take one.
Can you say, watch me, Chad? Can you say that? Say, watch me, Chad.
She's like, whatever.
Oh, no. Hey.
What are you doing?
Turn around.
Wow.
You want to go play with some of your other toys? Some of your new
Why
toys?
don't you go make Chad some pizza and some eggs? This piece what? You want to go back again? Okay. And then should we go make some pizza and eggs for Chad? Let's go in and make him some pizza and eggs. No?
She's busy.
Yeah.
Look out!
Whoa. Turning around? Okay. Good job. Turn the wheel. You're getting good at this. Back inside?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it over here then. Okay, let's put it over here.
No.
What?
Step back.
Over here. Okay.